Hey guys, it's Lily with Downley Ford of Ashland. If you're looking for a nice sedan, keep watching. We took in a Chevy Malibu. It has really low miles on it and it was well taken care of, so let's get into it. Driver's side has power seats. You also have power windows along with cruise control, Bluetooth connection for all of your sound, and then you also get a rear view camera. You have plenty of room in the back seat if you have anyone riding with you, and some cup holders. Don't let the trunk fool you. There is a ton of space in here as well. And then back here, there are some WeatherTech floor mats. A little overview. Oh my goodness, let me get in here. The wind's crazy. So if you have any other questions and want to learn more about this, please give me a call using my extension. I'd be more than happy to help you.